Hi guys, welcome to my new renovated channel under the name of Chloe Lester, which is me. I hope you appreciate this new look and new name because Bunny's Craft wasn't really doing just craft videos anymore, so I thought, you know, let's just have it as me. Just have it as me and just be easier all around. But anyway, today is St. Patrick's Day. I've never done anything St. Patrick's Day, so I thought, why not? Yeah, today I'm going to cook some recipes for you that are traditionally Irish. Do not hold me to that because I just googled it, okay? So, yeah, but just a bit of fun really. The only green thing I had were these dungarees. If you know Marzia, it's her dungaree, her design and whatnot. Absolutely love them. Yeah, it's the only green thing I had, I'm afraid, but yes, we are going to do a video for you, so let's go. Let's look up some facts of St. Patrick's Day. So I've got trusty Google right here and we will see what comes up. March 17th is when Patrick died. He was a saint of Ireland, if you didn't know that already. So apparently the beloved St. Patrick was not Irish, he was actually Welsh. So, is that true? I don't know. That's what this website says, but okay. The shamrock was originally a teaching tool. St. Patrick is said to have used the three-leafed plant to explain the Holy Trinity, Father, Son and Holy Spirit, to the pagan Irish. This is not necessarily true, but a nice sentiment regardless. So, this is a great example of don't believe everything you see on the internet. If you are Irish or know a lot of Irish history, tell me if these are true or not, and if not, tell Google off for being so dumb. The next one is the first St. Patrick's Day parade was in New York in the 1760s, so a long time ago. Wear blue on St. Patrick's Day. Okay, well I had a lot of blue clothes, I could have done that. For many years, blue was the colour most often associated with St. Patrick. Green was considered unlucky. That's a bit confusing. We need a blue Irish leprechaun, not a green one, so history, you're wrong. Guinness sales, St. Patrick's Day. Guinness sales soar on St. Patrick's Day. Recent figures say that 5.5 million pints of the black stuff are downed around the world every day. That's a lot of Guinness. Although it is now fully vegan, Guinness is disgusting, I have to say it. I remember trying it with my friend. I had one sip and she went, thick isn't it? And I was like, never again. Today are my facts, really rubbish facts actually, you didn't really learn anything. The first thing I found for breakfast is the boxty, B-O-X-T-Y, Irish potato bread. The name boxty is an unusual one, probably deriving from the old Irish word backstye or aram boxty, meaning poorhouse bread. Basically, for this recipe, you need 4 large potatoes, half mashed, half grated, 50 grams of plain flour, salt, 1 egg, and a pinch of bicarbonate of soda. You basically fry it in a frying pan, like a massive hash brown. How can you possibly go wrong with that? What are we making now?
Potatoes.
Potatoes, wow, we're making potatoes. Ooh, potatoes. What are we actually making though?
Potatoes.
No, we're making box tea. Aren't we, Lenny?
Yep.
Yes, we are. Who's this little baby boy? Teddy! Teddy, come here. Come on. Little baby boy. Hello. What are we making?
Potatoes.
Potatoes. And then we're gonna put the grated one in here. And then a bit of flour. And then it'll be delicious. What did you do? What did you do?
Where's your phone then?
What is this? Very greasy. They're pretty good. Mushy. They're yummy. The next thing is Irish soda bread. 170 grams of wholemeal flour, 170 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and 290 milliliters of buttermilk. Basically, you put it all into a dough. You do not knead it, you just bring it together. Then you create a cross on the top, and that is supposedly to keep the fairies out. How magical is that? One tablespoon of lemon juice. Try the 90. There. Keep going. Nearly there. Stop. Then go away till that curdles, and then we can put it in, okay? Got to start again. And the same again with that one. What are you doing? Ready for your nuts? To add the salt and the bicarbonate of soda. Okay? Look at that curdle right there. And the soda, which is in the drawer. Right there. No. In the buttermilk, and lightly mix it. I hate doing this. And then put it on here. Uh-oh. Drop some on the floor. Okay. Might want to stop for now. So you got to create a cross. Do you know why? Lenny?
I don't know what.
To keep the fairies out. That's what Google said. So when it cooks, it'll be in little quarters. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And yummy. The next thing, so for dinner, we have the cold cannon shepherd's pie. The cold cannon is Irish mashed potatoes. That is 2 pounds of potatoes, handful of whole leaf spinach, tablespoon of butter or oil, half a teaspoon of onion powder, third cup of milk, and salt and pepper. That's for the potatoes on the top. And then you have the filling, which is 1 pound of lean ground beef or lamb, medium onion, 1 celery stick, 2 carrots, 3 tablespoons of tomato puree, a teaspoon of dried thyme, quarter freshly ground black pepper, and a quarter chopped parsley. That's a mouthful trying to read out a recipe, but again, let's veganize this and we just use lentils because lentils are good for anything, right? Potatoes going in. Sploosh. Sploosh. Yeah. What are you doing? He doesn't know. Gravy.
What?
Gravy. To make it more meaty. Uh-oh.
Is this one?
How much do you like? Lots and lots and lots. Yeah. Oh no, I just steamed up the camera. Knob of butter, salt and pepper. I'll put that in after, not the spinach now. Milk. Put the sploosh of milk. Sploosh. Whoa, that's a lot of milk. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Oh no, look. Runny mashed potatoes. Who's a silly boy?
No.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Don't.
Spinach. Why are you mashing spinach? Oh, that's hot. Better than our one. Yeah. So you have to have dessert with any meal, and a traditional Irish dessert is bread and butter pudding. So what you need for this is 2 ounces of butter, 10 slices of white bread, 2 ounces of raisins or sultanas, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 12 ounces of milk, 2 ounces of heavy cream, 2 large eggs, 1 ounce sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 6 tablespoons of Irish cream liqueur or Baileys. That sounds like heaven. It's basically bread, custard, and alcohol. What could be better than that? What are you doing? This. What are we making?
Sandwiches.
Sandwiches. Yes, buttered sandwiches. Of course. What are you doing now?
Cutting.
Cutting. Wow. Did not know that. It already looks yummy. Sultanas. Nick.
You put that in with the mix.
In the mix?
Yeah. In the cream mix. Because then it will get
No,
everywhere.
because then it sticks to the bread. And I like cinnamon. So I like a lot of cinnamon, but I can't open it with my hand. There we go. Do you trust yourself pouring from the whole tub? I haven't actually ever had bread and butter pudding. Did you know? Layer it up again. And then do the same. Okay? It's a bit ugly. Wow. Beautiful. Oh. Yummy, yummy. That actually looks so good. In this corner. In this corner. So someone forgot the most important part. This. It's gonna be quite nice actually. Oh yeah. Yummy. Bread and butter pudding. It's very hot. So I hope you enjoyed my St. Patrick's Day Irish cooking video. I really hope these were some Irish recipes. If not, then it was just an ordinary random cooking video, so I do apologise about that. But hopefully, please let me know. I'd like to discover if these are actually Irish or just as time's gone by, things have been altered and it's just more of modern day recipes. But I would like to know. I mean, I would have had a pint of Guinness, but I don't like Guinness, so I wasn't going to have Guinness. But I had my coffee. I didn't have any Irish whiskey though. Oh damn it. But hey, it's okay. But I hope you enjoyed this video. It's something different. I had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you had fun watching it. I will hopefully make some more videos like this in the future. If you'd like me to, comment down below and comment what you'd like to see. But I hope you embrace my new channel, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.